As I'm going to the airport, I'm going to fly. I missed the presentation, but the guys were dancing. I'm so excited. But guys, welcome to this vlog. This is my day one of the trip. I'm on my way to the airport and I'm very excited. Babulu. Hey, Babulu. Yeah, Babulu. Hey, Babulu. Yeah, Babulu. We are descending. We're about to land on the land of the Zulus. But first I must finish my jewels. Oh, there's no way I can waste my jewels. What? Yeah, so basically guys, my first flight, it was beautiful. The takeoff was not nice, but yeah, I could get used to this. I mean, cheers.
Lines are shut as for us now.
Josie from above.
Please make sure that it's safely packed away back. The overhead lockers go underneath the seat in front of you. If you're sitting at the button holding hands, please make sure that these pathways are clear with instructions. For our business cabin passengers, we ask you to make sure that your footrests are journey's over, ladies and gentlemen. Please take care of the roads if you're driving or being driven. We're traveling on another airline. Travel safe to your destination, as we would like to see you and your money back soon.
Tumble touchdown. It is now time to look for the luggage. It's time to look for the luggage. And let me check here.
It should be on that other queue.
That's my flight SA075 from Benduk. So my conveyor is number 9. Number 9 should be this side. Yo guys, airport confusion is real. Okay, this is number 6. I must look for number 9. Alrighty, so that's number 9. One of my babies is there. Here's one of my babies. Where's the other one? Okay. Huh? Is it? Yeah. Where's the other one coming? This is also my baby. Yo, imagine you pick a laptop here, Philo. So guys, I was busy looking for my power bank and I missed the presentation, but the guys were dancing. Walking down Villa Carter Street, we just saw the Mandela house. It must be so expensive to own like property on the street. Guys, I really love the fact that there's both a bath and a shower. Oh, cute. Okay, kitchen.